Kani gade Pati CCTV.
Bankan tewi ki kam cho kai perthai ki baran tang hala ka jong kari. Kata ki baran hakalang kani kari India. Khandiat snam menchua ka wai kan hon ka bana Kolkata. Kelas dangi ke Lampung ke basisian sistem ya ke belatep kom ke travel and tourism bazar. Hakalang ki jala ki baran hakani ka than mingi jong kani kari. Habakan hakinang pathai ku bor nin kasngi ka khat artarik Hashilong Press Club. U director jong kani kan hon Amit Biswas Ulaitho. Ba menta kasnam ya kani ke Lampung an pelong hakani nong ba Shillong. Ya ke baan pelong nadu ke khat saw hadu ke khan re tarik mentau nok pra ha All Saints Hall ke badan hajan IGP Shillong. Kajing pelong yang ni kelempong kalong ban penpau perthai ki jaka jok kai perthai ki badan hakalang kari. Namar kumba kalong mentahi ki nong jok kai perthai ki bana kani kari India tang ya ki jaka ki badan hakari la jong ru kim paju ilot. Handre ki yabe ashwa banet se ki jaka ki badan sabari. Hakani kelempong ke balai singi anya simenta de kitna tourism jong ki pratli ki jala. Bakan top ya ke jala Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Jharkhand, Rajasthan, bat ke jala Meghalaya. Bat nalor kini anya simenta lang ru da ka Air India.
The main purpose to have this winter carnival here in Shillong is to make people aware that there are different state departments, tourism departments, which have come down or will be coming down to Shillong on the 14th, wherein they will showcase their prospects about their place, where they can show the tourism aspect of their state. For example, if you look at behind, you see Telangana, and a lot of people may not know about Telangana. They might just not be aware, sort of a thing. So, basically, TTP, what it has done is it has ensured that these kind of states also come here, participate, and if we have our own local people coming down to this event, and if he is a travel person, or they can go to any kind of place here. I mean, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, there's Gujarat, and so many other places. In the same way, he has also taken the initiative of taking Shillong to other places like Ranchi and Kolkata. People in Kolkata come in numerous numbers here in Shillong. Apart from that, in this year's event, we are also including local bands. We are encouraging local people to come in and perform in this Mela Carnival, and then we have also asked for DJs, and we are doing sort of a lucky draw. Whoever comes in and can avail, if that person wins, and he wins a free trip to Thailand.
Kani gade Pati CCTV.